5 more ways to improve your homemade soups. Leaving the skins on your carrots will give you a more carroty flavour, but just make sure that you whip the end out first. Adding salt, but not giving it enough time to completely melt into the soup, and you'll run the risk of making your soup too salty. Taste the soup. If it needs a bit more salt, add it then and repeat the process until you have a perfectly seasoned soup. Pepper. When you add your pepper, affects how it's going to taste. Putting pepper in at the start of the cooking will mellow the flavour of the pepper. Putting it at the end will make it a lot more fragrant. Cream. It's blatantly obvious. It makes a much nicer soup if you put cream in it. Full fat milk. Using full fat milk as part of the liquid in the soup will give you a much creamier taste and stop you having to use as much cream, and milk's a lot cheaper.